Hi, second graders. It's Miss Lampshire here. I just wanted to take a couple minutes and Bear says hi too. He's squeaking his bunny toy from Easter. Baby duck, can we squeak it later, please? Sorry about that, guys. So I just wanted to take a couple minutes and show you how to use Zearn. Can I see the bunny? Can I see the bunny? Let me see the bunny. Thank you. You can have it back when I'm done recording the video. Sorry about that. So I just want to take a couple minutes and show you how to use Zearn. I don't think many of you used it in first grade, which is totally fine. And I don't think we have used it in second grade yet this year either. So like I said, I just want to take a couple minutes and show you how to log in, the different parts of the lesson you're going to be doing for math. So also before we go to Zearn, I made a calendar, maybe, there we go, of the lessons you'll do each day. So I labeled each day with two labels. For those of you working kind of periodically throughout the week, you don't necessarily do schoolwork Monday through Friday. You do it as you can, and that's perfectly, totally fine. That's why we have it set up the way we do. It's labeled day 1, day 2, day 3, just whatever day in the week you are working on your schoolwork. Or if you're a student who is doing schoolwork Monday through Friday, then I have the actual dates on here. And then it'll tell you in purple what lesson we're doing that day. We are skipping lesson 10, so next week, watch out for that. It goes from 9 to 11. And I just wanted to kind of say, I made this calendar with the assumption that we're not going back to school, at least until after May 8th. That is by no means an official announcement, I guess. I've had many parents ask me if I know when we're going back to school, if the closure is going to be extended. I don't get to find out about school and when we go back until everyone else does, when Governor Sisolak makes the announcement. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I just kind of made the calendar to finish Module 8. I just kind of did it with the assumption, like I said, that we're not going back to school. And that way you could see, and I just realized I made a mistake down here. It says lesson 15. This one here should be 16, so I will fix that. And when you watch the video, the calendar in the PowerPoint should say lesson 16, not 15 here. Okie dokie, so when you're watching this video, hopefully you are, it'll be right here on slide 3. On slide 4 is the website. You can click on it and go to zearn.org, or you can type in www.zearn.org up here, and then you will type in your information. I know each teacher kind of sent it out differently. I emailed both the parents and the students, so so both of you will have it. I think Mr. Ellsworth and Mrs. Revere sent the information to you via Class Dojo, but I could so be wrong on that. I made a fake student account so you could see how to log in as a student. So let me pull that up. Here we go. So I'm going to type in my username and then my password. My class, your password is your student ID number. Hopefully you are familiar with it. You need that student ID number for many passwords. And then click sign in. Now it's going to, in just a minute, make me enter in a class code. So this class code is only for my class. Mr. Ellsworth students and Mrs. Rivera students, you have a different class code to use. So my class code is ZX3U6J. And when you type it in correctly, it'll say the teacher's name or like the class name, and you press join class. Now it has number gym. What you're supposed to start out with will be up here, and when you finish, it moves below, and the next thing you do moves up top. And I'll show you. I'll just quickly do the number gym. I've played it a few times now. It's kind of fun. So it's just adding on to 10 within 15. Now, it wanted me to make 11. I moved my dot. When I'm done, I have to press the enter button. And then it wants me to type in a number. I can either type it in like I use my keys on my keyboard to type it in, or you can click the buttons down here, and when you're done, you press enter. And then when it's done asking you those questions, you'll need to press next. It'll have you do it. And then on to the next problem. If you would like it to read to you, you can press this audio button.
Make 13.
So I'm making 13. When I'm done, I press enter. 10 and 3, enter. 13 minus 10 equals 3. When I'm done answering my 2 questions, I need to press next.
Make 15.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 and 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. And I'm done, so then I press the done button. And then like I said, the number gym moved below, and the thing I need to work on next comes up top. So I need to do my sprints. You get 60 seconds to answer as many questions as you can. I'm only going to answer a few. I'm going to waste some time, mostly so the kids don't get a cheat. 8 plus 1 is, hopefully you're thinking 9. And when I'm done, I need to press the enter button, or like this time, 18 plus 1 equals 19. I press the enter button on my keyboard. To me, that is quicker. Okay, and I was going to point this out when we started. This bar right here, this green bar, started right here. It's our timer. And it started right here, and it was green. Then when it gets halfway through, it'll turn yellow. If you take too long answering questions, you get that prompt. Pretty soon, when you only have, I think it's 5 seconds left, it turns to red. Watch it. See, yep, 5 seconds and it turned to red. And now we're going to go over the work. If you got it right, it'll have a green check mark. If you get it wrong, and I'll get a couple wrong next time so you can see the next round, they'll have a yellow X. And you'll have to press enter each one, or to see each answer to see if you got it right or not. Woohoo, 5 in a row. I got 7 correct. I'm gonna go to my next round. I get 60 seconds. These are just like your sprints. If you didn't notice, there's a green line here, but they're just like your sprints. They do have several patterns in them. So 7 plus 1 equals 9. Enter. 17 plus 1 equals 16. 27 plus 1, I'm getting these wrong on purpose, this one's right, 28. 46. 4. 14. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait out the timer. to keep going. This is 28. Do one more, 48. Check my work. If you didn't notice, it had a yellow X here or an orange X. So my answer is wrong. It deletes my answer. I have to type in the new answer. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Enter. Okay, now watch right here. I have that right, and then I have that orange X that erases my answer. I have to type in the correct answer. I got it right. 48. 8. 18. Have that one correct. So I only got 2 correct. Finish line. Sorry, babies. And it shows you how many you got right the first time. When you're done, you can press done. Moose says hi. And then it'll have me start my learning lab, which is like your concept development or goes over your problem set. It's kind of fun. Like I said, I created a couple fake student accounts. One to show you guys how to log in, and another so I could play in it as a student and I could see what you guys are doing. So if you guys have problems, then I would know. So if I were you guys, I would press the start button on for the learning lab. Whatever you finished moves on down the line, and the next thing to work on starts here. We're asking you to do 1 lesson a day. Hopefully that isn't too bad. I mean, that's what you guys were doing before, is a lesson a day. Hopefully this is fun for you guys. It's more engaging, something a little different. If you guys are having problems with it, let us know. I know we have spent our weekend kind of playing with Zearn and getting to know Zearn and the activities and lessons you're going to be doing. So if you need help, let us know. That's what we're here for, I promise. No one's going to be bothering us or annoying us with questions. I promise. So yeah, I hope you have a good week of Zearn. Yeah, we will talk to you later, second graders. Bye.